Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese brownies. Hey y'all, what's cooking? My name is Chef Fred and welcome to our kitchen, where I give you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking. Now this box of brownie mix that I'm using happens to be the Ghirardelli Triple Fudge Chocolatey. But you can use any brownie, whatever your favorite brownie mix is. Feel free to use that one. And this particular one calls for 1 egg, and of course you'll use whatever your directions say to do for yours. And we're going to give that a nice stir till everything's mixed really good. And then we're going to take and we're going to pull out a half a cup, approximately about a half a cup, that we're going to use to swirl on top of our cream cheese mixture toward the end. Now take a 9x9 baking dish and line it with tin foil, and that's going to help us at the end to be able to pull them out and cut them nicely and neatly. And then you'll give it a little spray with the cooking spray, and then pour your batter into the pan, and we'll just give it a nice spread and get it into all the corners nicely. Now let's make the cream cheese filling. We're going to use an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and to that a half a cup of sugar. Into that we're going to add 1 egg, and then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then in the food processor we're just going to give that a nice spin until everything is nice and mixed well. And we'll just spin this for a minute or two until it's nice and creamy and well mixed. Then we're just going to dollop it on top of the brownies. Now we're going to take the cream cheese filling and we're going to spread it on top of the brownie mix. And as we spread that, just do the best that you can. If you get a little bit of the brownie mix mixed in with it, that's not to worry, because we're going to be putting some more brownie, the half a cup that we saved earlier, we're going to swirl that on top of the cream cheese. So it's okay if a little bit gets mixed in with it as you are spreading it out. Then we're going to take the reserved brownie mix and we're going to just put some dollops over the cream cheese filling. We'll just put some dollops over it like this, and then we're going to take a toothpick or a skewer stick, and we're going to just swirl this back and forth to make some nice swirl marks throughout the brownie. And then you're going to bake these in the oven for whatever your particular box calls for, the temperature and the time, and just give those a nice bake. And then when they come out, we'll just take the tin foil out and cut them, and we'll have some nice cream cheese brownies. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.